Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about questions answers of chapter 18, that is pollution of air and water. इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करूंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। Question number 1. What are the different ways in which water gets contaminated? It means ऐसे कौन से तरीके हैं जिनसे water polluted हो जाता है? Answer. First point. Human activities such as bathing, washing clothes and defecating in the river. Second point. Industrial waste containing harmful chemicals discharged into rivers and streams. Third point. Insecticides and pesticides are used to protect crops who wash out with the rainy water and enter the water body. Next point, untreated sewage directly disposed of into the river. Next point, to throw garbage, flowers, idols of gods, goddesses, and non-biodegradable polythene bags into the river. Next question, at an individual level, how can you help reduce air pollution? It means एक व्यक्तिगत स्तर पर आप एयर पॉल्यूशन को कम करने में कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं? Answer. We can control air pollution by, first point, by saying no to crackers as they cause a lot of pollution. Second point, creating awareness among people about air pollution. Third point, switching to fuel like CNG and unleaded petrol. Fourth point, make a habit to ride a bicycle instead of a fuel running vehicle for a short distance. Next point, use of appliances that run on solar energy. Next question, clear transparent water is always fit for drinking. Comment. It means clear transparent water हमेशा पीने के लिए सही होता है. Comment करें. Answer. This statement is not true because water which looks clean may still have disease-carrying microorganisms and dissolve impurities. Such pollutants cannot be seen. So, water purified by chlorination or boiling first should be considered fit for drinking. Next question. You are a member of the municipal body of your town. Make a list of measures that would help your town to ensure the supply of clean water to all its residents. It means आप अपने शहर के म्युनिसिपल बॉडी के मेंबर हैं। उन उपायों का लिस्ट तैयार करें जो आपके शहर के उसके सभी निवासियों को क्लियर वाटर की डिमांड को पूरा करने में मदद करता हो। Answer. List of measures that would help our town to ensure the supply of clear water to all its residents. First point, to clean the water tank at regular intervals. Second point, to add chlorine tablets in water tanks in required quantities. Third point, proper checking of pipelines to supply water from the water tank to the house. Next point, stop all such activities which cause water pollution. Next point, making people aware regarding water conservation. Next question, explain the differences between pure air and polluted air. It means pure air और polluted air के differences को explain करें. Answer. For this, you have to draw two columns. In first column, you have to write points for pure air. In second column, you have to write points for polluted air. So first point for pure air, it is free of germs. For polluted air, it contains many disease-causing bacteria. Second point for pure air, it does not contain harmful gases. For polluted air, it contains harmful gases such as SO2, NO2, CFCs, ozone, etc. Next point for pure air, it is free from any pollutant and has no smell. For polluted air, it is full of contaminants and has an unpleasant smell. Now next point for pure air, it does not contain any dust or a smoke and is transparent. For polluted air, it contains lot of dust and smoke and is not fully transparent. Now last point for pure air, it is soothing and pleasant. For polluted air, it causes irritation to eyes and suffocation to lungs. Next question, explain circumstances leading to acid rain. How does acid rain affect us? It means acid rain को बढ़ावा देने वाले circumstances को explain करें. Acid rain हमें कैसे अफेक्ट डालता है? Answer. The gases like SO2, NO2 react with water vapor present in atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. The acids drop down with the rain in the form of acid rain. Acid rain affect us in many ways. First point, it makes soil acidic and such soil becomes useless for crop production. Second point, it makes water acidic and while drinking such water cause a burning sensation in alimentary tract. Next point, it causes irritation on our skin and eyes. Next point, it corrodes buildings, monuments and statues. Next point, it harms crops and trees. Next question, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? This question is MCQ. So first option, carbon dioxide. Second option, sulfur dioxide. Third option, methane. Fourth option, nitrogen. Answer will be nitrogen. Next question, describe the greenhouse effect in your own words. It means greenhouse effect को अपने words में describe करें. Answer, a greenhouse is prepared in some nursery where the sun is allowed to get in but is not allowed to go out. The trapped heat warms the house. The trapping of radiation by the Earth atmosphere is similar, so it is called the greenhouse effect. Next question. Prepare a brief speech on global warming. You have to deliver the speech in your class. It means ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पर एक स्पीच तैयार करें. आपको अपने क्लास में ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पर स्पीच देना है. Answer for this first point is what is global warming? The average temperature of the Earth atmosphere is gradually increasing. This is called global warming. Next point, causes of global warming. Green cover on the Earth's surface is decreasing due to the deforestation. It leads to an increase in the amount of CO2 in the air. CO2 traps heat and does not allow it to escape into space. Other greenhouse gases like methane, nitrous oxide, CFCs, besides CO2, are added in the atmosphere by human activities. Next point, effects of global warming. For this first point, global warming could result in wide-ranging effects on the rainfall patterns, agriculture, forest, plants and animals. Second point, sea levels to rise dramatically. Third point, melting of snow at polar region more rapidly. Fourth point, in many places, coastal areas have already been flooded. Now last point, to nullify the effect of global warming. We can control global warming and its effect by maintaining forest covers on the earth and planting as many trees as possible. Next question, describe the threat to the beauty of the Taj Mahal. It means Taj Mahal के beauty के खतरा को describe करो. Answer, Taj Mahal is located in Agra has become of concern. Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Marble is composed of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate reacts with acids and thus gets corroded. That's why acid rain is damaging the Taj Mahal. This wonderful monument does not look white but is looking pale and dull. If corrective measures are not taken, the future generations may not be able to see the beauty of the Taj Mahal. Now next and last question, question number 11. Why does the increased level of nutrients in the water affect the survival of aquatic organisms? It means पानी में nutrients का बढ़ता level aquatic organisms के अस्तित्व को क्यों प्रभावित करता है? Answer, excessive quantities of chemical fertilizers which are used to improve the crop yield get washed away from the fields. These act as nutrients for algae to flourish. Once these algae die, they serve as food to the decomposers like bacteria. A lot of oxygen in the water body gets used up. This results in a decrease in the oxygen level which may kill aquatic organisms. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.